Right, back with another video. Just walking back from school. I was dropping my daughter off. So when we get home, got a few jobs to do. I want to get done on the car. One involves oven cleaner and the exhaust. Two, bit of polish and a DA across the back of my boot, where I've been putting logs and stuff in, bags of logs into the car, drag them out, and it's got a bit scratched. I want to see if I can get them out. And then three, if you go back a long way to when I fitted my front splitter lip, which is probably about 2 years ago now, that was sun, I was sent some universal side skirts, which at the time, I was like, I can't get them to fit. But I've gone back and visited it again, and I think I've worked out how to fit, roughly. One side is what I believe is now called YouTube ready, so you'll be able to see what that looks like, but it's also given me guidance for where to put the opposite side in. So join me when we get back to the car, back home. So obviously I've got the front lip, which has been on there for 2 years now. There is a slight scratch here. I caught it against a curb or something, I think, but other than that, it's all absolutely solid, fine, fantastic, love it. So this side's a bit bare. We've got the black wing mirror caps, gloss black there, bit empty down the side. So like I said, I was sent with this front lip. I think it was this front lip, or it might have been the front lip on my missus's car. These side skirts, kind of, would you call them a skirt? I don't know. Obviously that one is on there, YouTube ready, but I'm not massively happy about the fitment because it's a bit loose. This end is solid, well, under there is solid, because there is one factory mounting point underneath the bottom under here, and then the rest is held on with cable ties. But we'll get onto that in a bit. The other thing I mentioned is this here. Ignore the black dots, I'll explain those in a minute. But these scratches across here, like I say, loading bags of logs and things in. And then the other one, hopefully you can see this without it being too dark. That exhaust pipe is clean. This one is full of carbon. So obviously I've done this one a bit already, not finished it, and we've got this one to do. So we'll get organised. You see all these black dots. All these black dots are where I did that exhaust and then went for a drive, and it's all blown out the exhaust, the liquid up the back. So we'll start with the exhaust. So the exhaust, what we got some Oven Bright. Well, this cost me £2 from around £1, and all I'm going to do is squirt it up the exhaust. You see that already, it's already changing colour. When I first did this yesterday, I did do it with a warm exhaust, so we'll see what happens. But what I have found is, I'm going to do this one as well. Why is my exhaust like this? Because my DPF's deleted, and yes, you are going to get some soot and carbon build-up on the exhaust. We'll leave that to do its thing for a few minutes. We'll get on with the next job. Right, so this is the piece of plastic. No mounting points or anything in it. We want that sat on here, level with the back. So one issue we've got is that little mud flap there, so that's going to need cutting. Then let's get down here. Up under here we've got nowhere that we can mount it to. It's just a hollow void under here. If we come back here, we have, where are we? Where's my finger? That point there that we can use as a mounting point, which is what I've done on the other side. So we need to, and then up here, I'm gonna have to go into this bit of plastic, which does pull down, so I can get some cable ties through that. I'm going to take the one off the other side because it's got lots of holes in it, but I've got guidance holes in that one as to where we're going to go into this one. So I'll get that whipped off quick. Right, so that, where's the best angle for the camera? There. So that's going to sit around that. That is lined up nicely. So then we've got to get some holes in. We need a hole at this end for the screw. Need another one here, another one here. So I'll just switch over to my drill bit. Where have I put the other and get the other one for guidance? So yeah, great little tools these are, just rechargeable. Work Pro, I think I got it off of Amazon. Cordless multi-tool, so you've got cutting discs, put drill bits in it, etc, etc. So we'll just change this over to the drill bit, which is very easy to do. Comes with different attachments, a few drill bits. That just slides in there. Oh, and tighten it up. Easy as that. Now we'll drill some holes. Right, so like I say, these are a mess, but it's that one there. So we've got to replicate that over this side, which is about level, which is about there. Hole number one. Two. Hole number three. Right, let's see if we can get this back in this mounting point. Slide it onto there. Let's tighten this so I can see what's going on. And is that lined up? There we go, that's going in now. That's solid. Right, now on to the next hole. So this is the hole in the side skirt thingy. I'm going to go across there. And we're going to put a hole about there. Nice and easy. And on to the last one. Right, it's not very good at that. Right, cable tie time. Pull that down a little bit. Actually, should probably do this one first. Where are we? There. Just because it's going to be easier. Feed that round and through. Come on, where are you? There it is. And we tighten that up. Yep, that's still sliding a bit. I don't know, I could do with some spacers or something on there, I think, to stop that from dropping. see what I can find. Alright, so I found, don't know what these are, but cut a hole through the middle. So we'll use that as a spacer underneath around the cable tie. I'm just going to get this whacked on here and then we'll have a look afterwards. Right, so they are now on there with those spacer things in them. I'll put a flash on. We're not going to focus now. So yeah, a couple of those on there, and that is now solid. It's not very solid going up and down because I've got nothing to fix it to along here, but going in and out, that's all solid. So yeah, using where are we? Focus. The fixing point at this end anyway, up under there. I'm going to go put the other side on and then we'll have a look how it looks. And that's that on there. So what do we think? I'm not sure about it from that angle, but if I come up here to this angle, I don't know where you can see that with the light, but it looks nice. This side, might be able to see it better. Although this one looks like it's sloping outwards a little bit for some reason. Don't know why. But yeah, let's just go back round the other side. I think they're okay. We shall see how we get on. Obviously they're easy enough to take off. I've not done any damage to anything, apart from a couple of holes in plastic under tray. But yeah, right, exhaust. A lot of muck has come out over the floor. So we'll give these, I'm going to need to get some gloves on. Right, so yeah, this one I'd already done before, so let's just give that a wipe. But look at it, just build up, build up, build up. It feels smoother. Yeah, you can see metal there now. There's still crap running out, so I'm going to spray some more in there, and I'm going to get a brush and brush up in and out. I'm just going to use this brush on the end of it. I've got a bucket of water there, but I'm just gently going to push that in there and just give it a it's going to be black. Yeah. That is flicking all over me. Ah. And all over the car. Yuck, it's everywhere. Right, give it a wash out. Oh, well, there is still some in there, but it's damn sight better than it was. This one, yeah, there's still some there. Then don't forget, this one has had 2 treatments. This one has only had 1. In fact, I might do some more in there. Yeah. Right, so last job is across here. I don't know if you can see, some of this is just dirt, but there's scratches all along here. Don't know how well the camera's picking them up. Hard to tell in this light, but I'm just going to got a DA polisher, bit of compound. Only pad I can find is a black one. Don't know what that means, whether it's hard, soft, whatever, but I'm just literally going across the top of here. So we'll see how it looks once it's done. One-handed DA polish here. See how it goes. Right, well it's better. It's better. It's where I wanted it to be. There are a few deeper scratches along here, which they're not, it is just the lacquer. Maybe I need to just spend some more time doing it. But I did also have a mark on this side here, which I've just taken out. Where was it? It was here somewhere. I think somebody had scraped along the side of the car, but that has gone. I do like DA polishing, but it takes so long to do. So yeah, I think we'll call that a video for today. So these are on, nice and tight. Tell me what you think. I'm not sure yet what I think, so your opinions will count. And yeah, so that's that done. The exhaust I need to wash out again. That's looking a lot better, and that's looking 90% better. I'm going to leave you there, guys. Go and wash my face, and see you in the next one.